Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I'm going to share with you some more images that are now in Design Space that I wanted to bring to your attention because these are super fantastic and there's several new sets that I want to make sure you're aware of. So the first one we're going to look at is called Life Begins After Coffee. I know a lot of you are coffee fans, and you're going to love this because the images are so fun. So for this set, there are 28 images in it, and it will be $12.99 if you want to purchase the image set. But hang on, I'm going to tell you guys a way to get it inexpensively. So just super adorable, lots of fun. Coffee is my best friend. A yawn is a silent scream for coffee. I love that. These would look great on t-shirts or maybe some home decor that you want to put up in your kitchen or where you like to relax and have your coffee, but they're really fun. So that's the first one. So that one's called Life Begins After Coffee, and you could look for that one underneath cartridges, and it is $12.99 for the 28 images. Now, let's look at the next one. The next one is called Bless This Farm. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And I know a lot of you live or you vacation at farms. I love this image right here. It's so cute. Now, Bless This Farm has 56 images. The set, if you bought just the set, would be $29.99. Okay, but it is adorable. 56 images. Look how cute these are. I love that rooster that says rise and shine. And the boot. Did you notice the boot? The boot has like roses on it. Really cute. My barn, my rules. No, that would be a fun sign to put up at the barn. Life is better on the farm, family farm, farm hair, don't care. And of course, then it's got, just some beautiful images of animals that you would find on the farm. But anyway, so there's just a ton of images. Also, some really cool like cowboy type images here if you're into the cowboy thing. And so this set is Bless This Farm, and it would be $29.99 to purchase the 56 images here. And let's see, we've got another one to look at. Yes, there's more. Ocean Shells and Mermaid Spells. This one, super adorable. Who doesn't love mermaids, right? And just really cute. Again, lots of great images for doing iron-on projects. T-shirts, tote bags, decorating for a beach house, decorating for a little girl's room. Just really, really sweet images here. So that is Ocean Shells and Mermaid Spells. That has 57 images and it is $29.99. All right. Yes, there's more. All right. So the next one is Mi Casa es Su Casa. And this one is all about home decor. So pillows and banners and anything that's home related type phrases. And it's super awesome. So Kiss the Cook, that would look great on an apron or a sign hanging up in your kitchen or something to give as a gift. Bake the world a better place. Stay a while. Just really cute. Bless Our Mess. Again, things that you could use for iron-on projects that you might be doing, or Welcome to My Circus. Oh my God, I so need this. All right, I just found the one I have to make for my daughter. It says there's probably dog hair on this. And then there's one that says there's probably cat hair on this. Super cute. Okay, so this one is Mi Casa es Su Casa, and that one has 25 images, and it would be $12.99. But we're not through yet. We have another image set to look at. This one is called Mini Moments, and this one has 52 images, and these are perfect for those baby onesies. You guys are always asking me, I need an idea to put on a baby onesie. Well, this is going to be the image set that you want to go to. This will be your go-to image set for those really adorable onesies that you need to make for gifts. Or to cut out and do at a lot of the baby showers now, they're using the Cricut Easy Press, and they're having this cut out and letting everybody pick a design, and they're making their own onesies that then they leave with the mom to be. Isn't that fun? I think that's a great idea. Anyway, okay, so mini moments. There's 52 images and they're just adorable. Glamorous grandma, glamorous like grandma. I think I may need to put that on a shirt for my granddaughter. This little adorable panda head, good morning sunshine, mama's little small fry. Oh, cute. Awesome big brother. Oh yeah, those big brother and big sister shirts are super popular to do. Oh, look at this one. Talk about cute. Love it. I need a nap. Wouldn't that be cute? Oh my God, on the front of a little onesie. Oh, and this one it cracked me up. I still live with my parents. Okay, so this is from Mini Moments, and like I said, this one has 52 images in it, and it would be $29.99. Now, there's one more image set that you're going to love. This one's called Totes Adorbs. It's got 22 images, and this was designed specifically, you guessed it, to put on tote bags. And there's some really cool ones in here, and there's some, I know that a lot of the kids are going to be starting school soon, or end of the year teacher gifts. Everybody's always trying to think of something. A really fun tote bag for a teacher. They're always hauling stuff in and out of the school. So, but this one says wink, wink, and this one says be beautiful you. Creative minds are rarely tidy. That is so true in my world anyway. Hello, beautiful. This one's really fun. It's like a globe, and it says adventure awaits. This says books and stuff. Wanderlust, adventure awaits. Hashtag hangry. That's super popular right now phrase. This one is the one I was thinking of for teachers. There's a couple on here for teachers. Super amazing teacher of tiny humans. I love teachers, don't you? God bless them. This one says I do what I want. Anyway, and this one says teach, love, inspire with the apple on it. That would be really cute too for teachers, but any of these would be great for any type of tote bag that you want to make. So this one is called Totes Adored. There's 22 images and it would be $9.99. Now, I want to point out, in case you haven't caught this already, all of these images, guess what? What does that green flag mean with the A on it? That means that they are part of the Cricut Access subscription. So you would get all of these for free if you are a Cricut Access subscriber. So if you don't know about the Cricut Access membership, there's 3 level plans. The first one is fonts membership, so you get access to just the fonts, no images. So it wouldn't apply for what I'm showing you right now. But standard membership and premium membership for Cricut Access gives you lots of different benefits. You get not only all of these images that I just showed you, but there's also over 30,000 images in Design Space. There's a lot more than that actually, and there's 400 beautiful fonts that's also included in part of these 2 memberships, standard membership and premium membership. You get 10% on licensed fonts and images and ready-to-make projects. You get 10% off on all product purchases at Cricut.com, including machines, accessories, materials, and more. And you will get prompted if you call into member care. It'll ask you if you're a access member, and if you are, you get a little bump up in the priority of answering the call. So that's a fun thing, and that's the standard membership. Now the premium membership gives you all of that, plus it gives you 50% off on designer fonts, images, and ready-to-make projects. And if you purchase $50 or more, you get free economy shipping on any of your orders at Cricut.com. Plus, of course, the priority member care line. So I wanted to mention this to you because some of you are new to Cricut, you don't have a library of images yet, and having a Cricut Access membership is awesome because you can just go into Design Space and do a little search for something you're looking for. Chances are you're going to find the perfect image already in Cricut Access, and you can start making your project right away. I'm going to provide some links in the description of this video for the Cricut Access membership, so you guys can go back and look at that. Also, for each of the image sets that you can purchase individually, I'll provide links for all of those. Anyway, I hope you guys found this helpful. I love to point out to you when there's new image sets in the design space because there's so much in there. Sometimes it's easy to overlook what's new. So stay tuned for more videos coming out. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share my videos with others. And come join us in the Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group or the Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill group. Talk to you guys later. Bye.